matter. What is matter? Matter is everywhere. Remember that everything around us that takes up space is made of matter. Living things are made of matter, but there are non-living things that are also made of matter. Water, glass, wood, and air are matters. Some things around us are not matter. For example, feelings, light, or sound. Some of the properties of matter are mass and volume. Mass is measured in kilograms, and volume is measured in liters. Here we have some examples of different solid, liquid, and gases. Remember, helium, carbon dioxide, and oxygen are gases. There are 3 different states of matter, and each one of these states has got different properties. Let's start with solid. Remember, solids have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. The size and the shape do not change. The atoms in solids are very close together and they do not move. Liquids have a fixed volume, but the shape can change. The atoms in liquids are close together, but they can move to take up the shape of the container. And gases do not have a fixed volume or a fixed shape. The volume and shape can change constantly. Remember, the atoms in gas move to take up all the space. There are 2 different changes in matter. We can have physical changes or chemical changes. Let's start with physical changes. In physical changes, the substance does not change, and it can be easily reversed most of the time. Every time that we change the shape of the size or the state, we can talk about physical changes. For example, breaking a glass, cutting the wood, or melting ice. All changes in the states of matter by melting, solidification, condensation, and evaporation are physical changes. We will explain that in another video. On the other hand, we have chemical changes. Chemical changes are very different. In chemical changes, the substance changes all the time and it cannot be reversed. For example, when we cook a cake, we cannot get back to the milk or the flour. The roasting of a fruit or the rusting of metal, burning with fire, cooking an egg, all these are examples of chemical changes.